Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Gwen Stacy as the Spider-Woman in the new Spider-Man movie Into the Spider-Verse. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and the face is very tricky here because of the hoodie, but it shouldn't be too bad if we take it step by step. So to begin this, we're going to draw in the lower part of her face first. So we're going to draw kind of like from the eye area. Just gonna curve it down. So it's gonna be your jaw, and this is gonna be your chin. So we're just drawing this curve first. Okay, so then from here, on this side, we're gonna go up. And then from this point, we're gonna draw in part of the hoodie. So this is gonna come across slightly. And then we're gonna come down. Just kind of come back down to this line on the face first. Okay, and then from here now we can draw in the eyes inside. So right about in the middle here, you can add in 2 dots. That's gonna be the corner of the eye. Okay, and then from this side here, I'm gonna draw one big curve. And then this one's gonna come down. Just come down right around here first, and then we gotta curve it around and just close that off. Alright, so that's one side, and then on the other side it's gonna be covered by the hoodie here, so that's why we kind of have to draw in the hoodie first. So on this part, we're just gonna curve up. So it's gonna be right behind that. And then on this part here, we're gonna curve and just kind of go back out. Okay, and then from here, let's add in, she's got a little bit of a detail here on the eye area. So I'm just gonna draw another curve on the inside. So just kind of give it a little bit of thickness and just come back to the center here. Okay. Go back up. Alright, very tricky eye shape. Okay, and then from here, before we draw in the rest of the hoodie, we're gonna draw in her neck first. Just come down. It's gonna be very small and cartoony, and then just kind of close it off. Okay, and then now we can draw in the hoodie. So on this side here, come down, continue that line, and then this is kind of almost like a straight line, come down to around the neck area, and then just curve it, and then just connect it back to the center. Alright, and then same thing on the other side. So this one's gonna slant out slightly more. It's gonna come down right around the same area. Then we're gonna turn it. Again, come back to the center. And then to finish off the hoodie here, this part, we're just gonna go up. And then we're gonna curve it all the way around. And come back down and just kind of meet up to that edge. Alright, so let's draw in her body, and it's gonna be a lot easier than drawing the hoodie and the face mask. So we're gonna come out to the side here, just right around here, just come down. You can make a little mark first. Okay, so right here. So this is gonna be your armpit, and then we're gonna slant this one down. This is gonna be her waist. Here's her hip. Alright, and then in the middle here, we're gonna draw in some of her costume here. So right in the middle, we're just gonna draw in one big V first. And on the top here, we're just gonna come down to the side. Okay, and then we gotta draw in her arm. So here's her armpit. So come back up here. Here's the shoulder. Coming down. And this is gonna be pretty straight. That's gonna be your bicep. And then for the lower arm, we're gonna flare out just slightly. And then this is gonna curve. Come down to the wrist. And then for a fist, it's just gonna be really simple. We can draw it this way too. Come down this way, and here's the back of the fist. And then we'll close that off. And then we'll add one line here for the thumb. Alright, so let's draw the other side. So pretty much the same. So here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down, and then this is gonna be pretty straight for the bicep. Use the other side for reference. flare out slightly, curve, straight, and then same thing, let's draw it this way. So flare out, back of the fist, just close it, and then one line there for the thumb. Alright, and then for the details on her clothing here, we can add that because it's really simple. So here's her elbow. We just go straight to the armpit, and then one line, go back out here. Okay, so from the elbow to the armpit, come back out. So there's gonna be some webbings in here. Alright, so now let's draw in her legs. So it's gonna be pretty simple as well. We're gonna come down, make a little mark, and then come back up to the waist here. So this is gonna curve out. It's gonna be her hip. And we're just gonna keep the same curve coming all the way down. So just one big curve. And then the inside here. And then her knee, just a slight bracket. And now let's go on to the other side. So same thing here. Curve out. One big curve. Inside, same thing. And then for her knee, just a little bracket. And then for her lower leg, it's really simple. We're gonna flare out slightly. And then just pinch it in because it's very cartoony. Close it off. Dome shape. Come out more on this side. Close it off. And then let's draw on this side before we add in the details. Close it off in the same kind of dome shape. Go out more on this side. Close it off. Okay, and then let's see, she's got those ballerina shoes. So we're gonna draw one line hit across here. And on the top here, I draw one more bar. And now there's gonna be kind of like a strap going across. So we're gonna go this way. So that's one stripe, and we're gonna draw in the other one. So just go from here, just kind of go out because you can't see most of it. And then on the bottom here, we're just drawing the same slant. Okay, so same thing on the other side. We're gonna come up here, one bar. And then we're gonna go this way, one bar slanting. And then the opposite. And then some more detail up here. She's got a little stripe here. So right on the waist area here, just curve in, and then from the corner, just go back out. So we go here, go in, go back out. Okay, and then for the webbing, and I'm gonna switch to my smaller Sharpie so I don't make it too messy. So let's start up here for the hoodie part. So around the hoodie, on just this on the inside, I'm gonna draw one curve, and then right here we're gonna come down, draw another one, and then on the other side it's gonna be kind of the same, curve down. Up here, just kind of come back down, and then once you have the vertical, now we're gonna draw the line going across. So we're gonna start down here, just right behind the neck. Just give it one big curve. And then one more up here. And I have a little bit of space here, so I'm just gonna draw one more line here. Alright, and then for her arm here, this one's easy. Right in the middle, we just draw one vertical line. And then I'm just gonna draw in two going this way. And that is it for this Spider-Woman. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and check out all my other Spider-Man drawings. So hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.